Hey everybody, John here with O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk to you about a really frustrating problem that we all deal with from time to time. Your vehicle won't start. A question you might ask yourself in that situation is it my battery or something else? Which is why O'Reilly Auto Parts offers free testing on batteries as well as starters and alternators. Because if any one of those three aren't functioning properly, you're likely to have problems starting your vehicle. Typically, if it won't start at all without a jump, but stays running once you do jump start it, it's a battery issue. If you experience intermittent starting, grinding, or clicking, it could be your starter. Or if it slowly winds down and dies, once you have it started, it's probably an alternator issue. With that being said, your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store can test batteries, starters, or alternators on or off your vehicle. So if you do wind up not being able to start it at all, bring your battery to us and we can help determine what condition it's in. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions that we get in our stores each and every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to see the latest DIY jobs, and we'll see you again soon.